Into the abyss, a world unknown, the deep sea, a place where light is a distant memory, and the weight of the water above presses down with unimaginable force. This is a world that remains largely hidden from human eyes, a realm of mystery and wonder that beckons us to explore its depths. A world of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure and freezing temperatures. Here the environment is so hostile that it seems to defy the very possibility of life. The pressure is so intense that it would crush most creatures instantly, and the cold is so severe that it would freeze them solid. It is an environment so extreme that it seems impossible for life to exist. Yet in this seemingly lifeless void, nature has found a way to thrive. The deep sea is home to some of the most extraordinary and resilient creatures on our planet. Yet life finds a way. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest predators, the deep sea is teeming with life. These creatures have adapted to the harsh conditions in ways that boggle the mind, showcasing the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. Hidden beneath the waves, a menagerie of bizarre and wonderful creatures thrive in this seemingly inhospitable realm. From bioluminescent jellyfish that light up the darkness to strange fish with transparent heads, the deep sea is a treasure trove of biological marvels. In this deep sea realm, evolution takes on a different form. The creatures here have developed unique adaptations to survive in an environment that would be lethal to most other forms of life. Some have evolved to withstand the immense pressure, while others have developed ways to generate their own light in the pitch-black darkness. It births creatures of the abyss, uniquely adapted to survive in a world without sunlight. Bioluminescence is a common trait among deep-sea dwellers, allowing them to communicate, attract mates, and lure prey in the dark. This natural light show is one of the many wonders of the deep sea. For centuries, the deep sea has remained a mysterious and largely unexplored frontier. Despite our advances in technology, we have only just begun to scratch the surface of this vast and enigmatic world. The deep sea holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered by intrepid explorers and scientists. Tales of sea monsters and mythical beasts have captivated our imaginations. These stories passed down through generations often have their roots in the real creatures that inhabit the deep. The giant squid, once thought to be a myth, is just one example of a legendary creature that turned out to be real. These tales often have roots in truth, inspired by glimpses of the strange and wonderful creatures that inhabit the abyss. The deep sea is a place where reality and myth often blur, giving rise to some of the most fascinating and enduring legends of the ocean. Only recently have we begun to scratch the surface of this hidden kingdom. With the advent of modern technology, we are now able to explore the deep sea in ways that were once thought impossible. Submersibles and remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, have opened up new frontiers in our quest to understand the ocean's depths. Advanced submersibles and remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, are allowing us to explore further and deeper than ever before. These incredible machines can withstand the extreme conditions of the deep sea, providing us with unprecedented access to this hidden world. With each dive, we encounter new and fascinating life forms, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of life on Earth. Every expedition brings new discoveries, revealing the incredible diversity and complexity of the deep sea ecosystem. The deep sea is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a reminder of the vastness and wonder of our planet. It is a place where the familiar rules of life are rewritten and where the boundaries of what we know are constantly being pushed. It is a realm where the familiar laws of nature seem to bend and break, giving rise to creatures beyond our wildest dreams. The deep sea is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, a place where the extraordinary becomes the norm, and where the wonders of the natural world are on full display. Among the most captivating inhabitants of the deep are the sea devil and the oarfish. These two creatures, though vastly different in appearance and behavior, share the same enigmatic and dark underwater world. The sea devil, also known as the anglerfish, is a master of deception. Dwelling in the abyssal depths, it has adapted to the extreme conditions of its environment in fascinating ways. This fish has a distinctive, almost grotesque appearance with a large head, sharp teeth, and a fleshy growth protruding from its forehead. This growth, known as the esca, is bioluminescent, emitting a ghostly light that attracts unsuspecting prey. This fleshy growth acts as a lure, a beacon of light in the perpetual darkness. The anglerfish remains motionless, waiting for curious creatures to come close, only to be swiftly devoured by its powerful jaws. The oarfish, in stark contrast, is a creature of elegance. Its long, ribbon-like body undulates gracefully through the water, creating a mesmerizing display. This serpentine fish, often referred to as the king of herrings, can grow to astonishing lengths, with some individuals exceeding 30 feet. Its elongated form allows it to navigate the deep ocean currents with ease. Its long, silvery body is adorned with a bright red dorsal fin that runs its entire length. This striking feature not only adds to its beauty, but also serves as a warning to potential predators. The oarfish is a rarely seen creature of the deep, its biology and behavior shrouded in mystery. Scientists are still uncovering the secrets of this elusive fish, which has inspired countless myths and legends throughout history. The deep sea remains one of the last frontiers on our planet, and the sea devil and the oarfish are just two examples of the incredible life forms that inhabit this dark and mysterious world. In the depths of the ocean, where sunlight cannot penetrate, creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations to find food in the darkness. The sea devil, with its bioluminescent lure, is a prime example of this adaptation. This lure, filled with light-producing bacteria, dangles enticingly in front of its gaping jaws. Unsuspecting prey, drawn to the light in the otherwise pitch-black environment, swims straight into the sea devil's trap. The oarfish, with its elongated body and large eyes, is believed to be a visual predator. Its large eyes, sensitive to the faintest glimmer of light, help it to detect prey in the dimly lit depths. It likely feeds on small crustaceans, jellyfish and squid, using its long, toothless mouth to scoop up its prey efficiently. In recent years, there has been a noticeable increase in sightings of deep-sea creatures, like the sea devil and the oarfish, closer to the surface. These sightings have been both fascinating and alarming, capturing the attention of marine biologists, environmentalists, and the general public. The deep sea, often referred to as the last frontier on Earth, is home to some of the most mysterious and elusive creatures. Seeing these creatures venture into shallower waters is a rare and unusual event. This phenomenon has sparked curiosity and concern among scientists and the public alike. People are eager to understand why these deep-sea dwellers are appearing in places where they are not typically found. Are these creatures in distress, or are they simply exploring new territories? The answers to these questions could have significant implications for our understanding of marine ecosystems and the health of our oceans. While the exact reasons for this increase are still being investigated, researchers are working tirelessly to gather data and analyze patterns. Advanced technology, such as deep-sea submersibles and remote-operated vehicles, has made it possible to study these creatures in their natural habitats like never before. This technology is providing valuable insights into the behavior and migration patterns of deep-sea species. Several factors are thought to be contributing. Climate change, with its far-reaching effects, is one of the primary suspects. The warming of our planet is causing significant changes in ocean temperatures and currents, which can have a profound impact on marine life. As polar ice caps melt and sea levels rise, the delicate balance of marine ecosystems is being disrupted. With its impact on ocean temperatures and currents, climate change is a likely culprit. Warmer waters can alter the distribution of nutrients and prey species, forcing deep-sea creatures to adapt to new conditions. These changes can create a ripple effect throughout the food chain, affecting everything from the smallest plankton to the largest predators. Changes in water temperature can affect the distribution of prey species, leading to shifts in the habitats of deep-sea creatures. As their traditional food sources become scarce or move to different areas, these creatures are compelled to venture into shallower waters in search of sustenance. This migration can bring them into closer contact with humans and other marine species that they would not typically encounter. Forcing deep-sea creatures to venture into shallower waters in search of food is just one aspect of this complex issue. The interconnectedness of marine ecosystems means that changes in one part of the ocean can have far-reaching effects. As deep-sea creatures move into new territories, they may face new challenges and threats, including competition for resources and exposure to pollutants. Overfishing is another contributing factor. Human activities have significantly depleted fish populations in many parts of the world, particularly in shallower waters. This depletion forces predators to expand their hunting grounds in search of food, leading them to venture into deeper or previously uninhabited areas. As we deplete fish populations in shallower waters, the entire marine food web is affected. Predatory fish and other marine animals that rely on these fish for sustenance are forced to adapt to new conditions. This can lead to increased competition for food and changes in the behavior and distribution of marine species. Deep-sea creatures may be forced to expand their hunting grounds, bringing them closer to the surface and into contact with humans. This increased interaction can have both positive and negative consequences. On one hand, it provides scientists with unique opportunities to study these elusive creatures up close. On the other hand, it raises concerns about the potential impacts on both the deep-sea species and the ecosystems they are entering. Bringing them closer to the surface and into contact with humans can lead to increased encounters with divers, fishermen, and other ocean-goers. These interactions can be dangerous for both the creatures and the people involved. Deep-sea species are often not adapted to the conditions of shallower waters, and their presence can disrupt local ecosystems. Pollution and noise pollution from human activities could also be playing a role. The deep sea is not immune to the effects of pollution, and contaminants can accumulate in the water and sediments, affecting the health of marine life. Noise pollution from ships and industrial activities can disrupt the communication and navigation of deep-sea creatures, further complicating their ability to survive and thrive. Disrupting the delicate balance of the deep-sea ecosystem can have cascading effects throughout the ocean. The deep sea is a complex and interconnected environment, and changes in one part of the ecosystem can have far-reaching consequences. Protecting these fragile habitats is essential for maintaining the health and biodiversity of our oceans. The increasing frequency of deep-sea creature sightings serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. The health of our oceans is closely linked to the health of our entire planet, and changes in one part of the world can have ripple effects across the globe. Understanding and addressing the factors driving these changes is crucial for the future of our oceans and the creatures that inhabit them. The far-reaching impacts of human activities on the environment cannot be overstated. From climate change to pollution to overfishing, our actions are having profound effects on the natural world. By studying and understanding these impacts, we can work towards more sustainable practices and policies that protect our oceans and the incredible diversity of life they support.